Happy Valentine's Day, geometry students. We're going to start section 3 of chapter 7, and pretty much we're going to focus on this first objective in this video. So we're going to use angle-angle similarity postulate, side-side-side, and side-angle-side similarity theorems. In class on Monday, we'll do more of this, use similar triangles to solve problems. So you need your packet, and you need to write this down, angle-angle similarity postulate. So go ahead and pause the video and do so. So what it says is two angles of one triangle are congruent to two other angles, then the triangles are similar. And that's basically coming down to the third angles theorem. If you know that these two are similar, or these two are congruent and these two are congruent, we know the third one's going to be congruent as well. So let's see if these two triangles are similar. So are they similar? Well, if we take 48, 57, add them together, subtract from 180, this should be 75. And if we take 75 plus 57, subtract from 180, then this should be 48. So yes, they are similar because they have at least two angles that are congruent. What about this one? Is this one similar as well? Well, we have the vertical angle, and we also have alternate interior. So alternate interior and vertical. So yes, they are going to be similar by the AA postulate. All right, some other theorems you have to write down in your packet. Triangle similarities, the side-side-side, and side-angle-side. So find that in your packet. And go ahead and take a moment to pause the video and write these down. So as long as the three sides make a proportion, and we did this a little bit yesterday too, as long as they all come down to the same proportion, they simplify down to the same fraction, then they are going to be similar, all three sides, and that's by the side-side-side similarity. The second one's saying that if you can get two sides to be proportional and one angle congruent, then it is going to be, the two triangles are going to be similar. So you don't have to even worry about finding the other angles or finding the third side. You can just say by side angle side, the triangles are similar. So determine whether these triangles are similar. And if so, write a similarity statement justifying your reasoning and justify your reasoning. So let's look at this first one here. It looks like we're given three sides here. We're given these three sides of this triangle and three sides of the other triangle. So now we have to decide whether or not these are similar or not. Well, let's say 8 and 20. What does that simplify down to? Well, simplifies down to 2/5, okay. And what about 5 over 12.5? What does that simplify down to? 2/5 as well. And 6 over 15 simplifies down to 2/5. So are these two triangles similar? Yes. They are similar by the side-side-side postulate. So we can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle, and we got to keep our order the same. So PR, so we're going to start with P, we got to start with S. So STR as well. Okay. Okay, so the next one looks like these two triangles share angle A. So we have an angle. So let's try to shoot for side, angle, side. So let's look at these sides right here. This triangle right here has 8. And what about this side of the big triangle? And it's not going to be 4, it's going to be 8 plus 4, so it's going to be over 12. So when that's simplified down, it's going to be 2/3. Now let's look at the other side, on the other side of the angle, because it has to be side, angle, side. Okay, so this is going to be 10, and 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. Hey, what do you know? it simplifies down to 2/3. So this one is going to be yes, and it's by side angle side. So we can say triangle AEF is similar to triangle. We're going to do A, order matters, A, C, B. And let me move this over so we can A, C, B. All right. So we justified why they were similar. We stated the similarity statement, and that's why you can use side, 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 and side, angle, side. So for class Monday, I want you to go ahead and determine whether these triangles are similar, and then write a similarity statement and justify your reasoning. And have a great Valentine's Day.